Alright, so another day in life as a musician and business owner. So, started na around 12 noon, no? So, again, mornings usually I just do contents. Now, punta tayo sa Daddy G Cafe. Kasi may guest tayo, no? Dumating yung aming relatives, no? Mga pinsan namin and kapatid ni Daddy G. Yan. So, they visited kasi yung isang pinsan namin uuwi na sa UK. And ayun si Daddy G. And so, nagdala sila ng panibagong product offerings. So, if you wanna taste local delicacies from Laguna, ayan, available na siya sa Daddy G Cafe. So, around 3 p.m. nagmerienda muna ako before I go to my gig, no? With Third Ave to. Malapit-lapit lang naman siya sa Antel lang. So, I think 20-minute drive from Daddy G Cafe. Ayan. So, pagdating namin, tumambay lang kami saglit sa labas. And then, sound check around 4:30, 5 p.m. Hindi na ako nakapag-video masyado. And yun, natapos kami around 7 or 8? 8 or 9 pala, sorry. So, 8 or 9 p.m. Ayan, pauwi na. Pero dadaan muna sa shop, syempre, just to check kung kamusta ba ang bentahan. Medyo okay naman today. Maraming mga pumasok na families daw, mga guest, ganyan. Tapos, medyo nagutom ako, so, kain ulit before closing. Ayan. So, closing again. Check lang kami ng mga sales and things na kailangan naming i-optimize, no? So, and 10:41, I got home and then, ayun, doon na natapos yung araw natin. So, see you soon.